Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this makeup tutorial right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Zircal Cosmetics face primer to prime my face. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation for my face. I'm using this Mary Kay facial highlighting pen to highlight my face. Tara makeup face powder palette. I'm using this shade right here. To set my highlights. Sorry. I'm using this shade right here to set my whole face. This shade right here. I'm using this Anastasia brow pomade in shade dark brown for my brows. I'm using this Zircal Cosmetics Nude palette in palette for my eyes, and I'm using this shade Raw. This shade called Raw. Sorry. I'm using this shade Raw for my crease first. I'm using this shade called Zircal Girl for my crease too. I'm using this shade Bear for my lid. Bear for my lid. I want to add this shade Tea Cool to my outer crease to make it more deeper and darker. Using this Zircal Cosmetics Smudge Proof eyeliner for my eyes. I'm using this classic makeup mascara for my eyes. I'm using this Zircon Cosmetics 5-in-1 lashes. I'm using this Zircon Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust in the shade Moonlight to highlight my shade. And I'm using this Tara Makeup blush palette. I'm using this shade right here, this blush for my cheek. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus spray for my face. And I'm using this Zircon Cosmetics Lipstain in shade Tonto for my lips. Using this gold eyeliner for my waterline. Shade Zircon Girl. Using this shade for my under eye.